Hi everyone, welcome to my training sessions. In this session, we will see the keywords in JavaScript which are var, let and constant. So what is the use of these three keywords? What is the difference between var, let, and constant? When to use another the keywords? We'll see what is these keywords, difference between all three keywords, and when to use var versus let versus constant. These are the three major things we'll see. First, we'll start with the var. Var is a JavaScript keyword used to represent the data types. Var is a JavaScript keyword to represent the data types. Why so? Because JavaScript is a dynamically typed programming language all the data types are represented by using var keyword. Okay, we'll see it the example. So let me open Notepad++. So in the previous session, I just created one program, HTML program. It contains a head section and a body section. Script is the place to write our JavaScript. So let me declare a variable var first name is equal to, let me give my name is Krishna. So here we need to make it as a one note. The note is the name of the variables. The variable's name should be camel case. Variable names should be follow camel case. Okay, next. So I have created a name. Let me print. Yes, we're having the one instruction that is nothing but a document dot write. Document dot write is used to print the data in your document. So here document is nothing but a HTML programming document. Let me refresh and inspect page. So see here, this is your document. Okay, this is your document. My name is printed here. Okay. Oh. So there is a one behavior of var keyword. We'll see that behavior. This is nothing but a creating a variable as well as assigning the data. Yes. But specific to JavaScript, there is a one behavior of variables and functions. The behavior is, can I assign the data and then declare a variable? Yes. Can I assign the data? Assign the data. In the next step, can I declare a variable? Answer is yes. Why so? We'll see it. Var, same thing. Let me change as. So let me comment how to comment. Inline comment is a slash slash. Block level comments are represented with slash asterisk slash. In between, we need to place a code to comment. Okay. Okay. Var first name. So this is my declaration. Before the declaration, can I assign the data? We'll see that behavior. Let me save this file. Go to the browser, refresh the system. Yes, still I can able to see my page. Let me check any exceptions are occurred. How to check? Inspect, right click the browser, inspect page. Developer tools will be open. Go to the console tab. Here any exceptions are there, it will be log default. Okay. Oh, so let me go to the program. Can I achieve this one? Yes, definitely I can achieve this one. So this is the concept of hoisting. This is the concept of hoisting. Okay, we'll take that one. What is meant by hoisting? Same here. The hoisting is nothing but a automatically my program can able to declare can able to recognize the declaration of variables. It will move top to your program, even though which is a local or a global variable. Hoisting means whatever the variables which are declared in my JavaScript program, either a global or local, declaration will become first, and then assignment will be occur next. That is the behavior. So here where declare variables will follows hoisting. So we'll take what is meant by hoisting. Hoisting means in the program, in the specific to JavaScript, this hoisting problem, it is not a problem. It is can be treated as a behavior. It can able to treat it as a behavior. In the JavaScript program, the declare variables will move top of the program even though it can be a local or global variables. So what is meant by global, what is meant by local, we'll see in the next video. Okay, top of the program, and then execute the assignment or the functional logic. So the behavior of a hoisting is nothing but whatever the declaration, even though which are middle of your program, all should be go to the top, and then assignment or your functional callings will be done in the next. Okay, which is nothing but a hoisting. var key, by using the var keyword, if you declare any variable, it will support the hoisting. So which is nothing but a hoisting. Next, we'll see about a let and constant keyword. Take a next point. Let and constant keywords are introduced in the ECMAScript 6th version, ES6. Let and constant keywords will not support hoisting behavior. It will not support your hoisting behavior. Okay, so we'll see how it will be. Same thing. This is my first name declared by using the var keyword. Let me change this var to let. So let also is same like a var keyword. Only the difference is var will support the hoisting behavior. Let will not support the hoisting behavior. Let me save, refresh the page. So here it is not printing my name. Let me open the developer tools. It is showing that it cannot access the first name before initialization, which is the behavior of hoisting. So hoisting, can I say as a problem? No, which is on a behavior. If you want to go with the var, it will support your hoisting. If you don't want to do that one, instead of that one, you can able to go with the let. So there is a no difference between var and let, which are used both for the purpose is assigning the data. But the difference is var will support hoisting behavior, let will not support the hoisting behavior. Here I can't able to say this is the problem, which is the behavior, which is one thing will support, second one is not supporting. Here we can take it as a let and constant. Okay, let and constant keywords are introduced in ES6. Let and constant keywords will not support hoisting behavior. Okay, so which is the example we have seen. Next, let me show the example of constant. So what is meant by constant? Constant used to declare the constant values. For example, in the mathematical, as per the calculations, we are going to use the pi value. What is the pi value? Pi equal 3.14. Can I change that pi value? No. The entire life of the program pi I should be 3.14 only. So constant are used to declare the constant variables in the program. Constant variables in the program. For example, let me showcase the example here. Okay, so let me do with constant. So the keyword here is the constant. Constant pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, so let me print that. Yes, I can print. How to print? Document dot write is the keyword to print pi value pi. Save it. Go here. Let me refresh. Okay, why it is not printing? A exception is occurred. Once the exception is occurred, the program will be terminated. How to handle this? By using the try and catch, that we will see later in the sessions. So in this I am here showing that one. Because of the exception, by this the program will be terminated. Let me fix the problem. Okay, so instead of the var, let if I use the var, it will support the hoisting behavior. It will print. See here, Krishna from the first name, 3.14 from the pi value. Let me try to check for pi is supporting hoisting or not. Nothing but a assignment on their declaration. But in real time, we are not going to do this behavior. But as a learner, we need to know about this is the behavior. Okay, but in the real time, always we are trying to declare the variables and then try to assign the variables and then try to consume the variable. Let me refresh. Here, go to the inspect page, missing the initialization in the const declaration. See here. So constant by this one, we proved as constant also will not support the behavior of hoisting. Okay. Next. Constant is done. So the behavior of actual constant used to it one and only one time assignment should done. It should not done the assignment multiple times. For example, I want to change the pi value is the 3 something else. Okay, the constant is nothing but which is used to declare the constant variables. Nothing but only one time you should assign the value. So let me refresh. Go here again. Issue is came. Okay, what is the issue here? Assignment to constant variables. So it is saying that one, a constant variable is reassigned with some other data. You should not. You should not. So this is the behavior. Let us take this point. Constant are used to declare the constant variables in the program. Means only one time should assign the variable data. For example, take this one as an example. Constant document dot write pi value. Okay, so let us see the simple picture of the difference between let a constant and a var keyword. First one is the var let constant. Now tell me, so let the first point is used to declare and assign the data. In case of let also same. Let also used to assign and declare the data. But in case of constant, is used to declare and assign the data only one time. Next, var will support hoisting behavior. Let will not support hoisting behavior. Let will not support hoisting behavior. In case of constant, constant also not support hoisting behavior. Okay. So which are the differences versus what is the difference? So var and let are used to declare the variables. Constant also used to declare the variables, but you can able to assign the data only one time. Var will support the hoisting behavior. Let and constant not supporting the hoisting behavior. Okay. So this is about the discussion of let versus var versus constant. Thanks for watching.